Hey guys, how's it going? Hey, just doing some jobs out at the farm, and I thought, hey, the other day I made homemade Papa's homemade wine with apple and pear and grape, and yeah, I'm out at the farm and check this out. The old mandarin tree's going off, so I reckon why not pluck a few of these off, take them home, and make some of Papa's Mandarin Wine. Oh shit. Alright. Ooh, whoops. Alright. I'll see you back in the shed when we're making the wine. Alrighty, we're in the shed and got my mandarins. I've also got one of Benny's lemons, Benny from up the road, and one lime. So what I'll do, I'll start juicing these bad boys and then put them straight into the jug. It's true, this is going to take all day. Hang on. Alrighty, let's get this first bit in to the jug. I think I've squeezed about, maybe 15 mandarins so far. Alright, let's do that magic trick again. Alrighty. In with the second lot of juice. Look. And a little bit for me. Whoops. I'm a messy bugger. Alrighty. Now, I reckon that'll do. So, as I said last time, you put in 1 cup of sugar for every litre of juice. So if you allow for the sugar to take up some room in a 2 litre jug, that means you've got to put about 1.5 cups of sugar in the juice. So let's chuck that in. One. And half. In she goes. Tap, tap, tap. And once again, the old baker's yeast. I still had a bit of the yeast in that last sachet we did from the other wine, but it's been raining here, so I thought moisture might get in, might not work well, so for what it's worth, we'll open a new one. And yeah, remember, 1 jug, it really only needs a pinch of yeast. That's it. That's a 7 gram sachet. I reckon I used about 1/5, not even 1/5 of the sachet. Okay, so sugar's in, yeast is in, juice is in, plenty of room for shaking. So now we shake him up. Good shake up. Whew, I'm going to be red in the face doing this. Alrighty. And now I'm just going to top it up with water. I don't want to make all of it juice because I think it might be a bit too acidic for the yeast. Just my theory, could be wrong. That's how I'm doing it. And that's the beauty of home brewing. You're doing it at home and you just do whatever you want. A lot of people are sticklers for recipes and stuff. And yeah, it might make things a bit more perfect, but I just like winging it. Winging it. How are you going to learn new stuff if you don't wing it now and then? Alright, leave a little bit of room there. Give it another shake with that bit of water in it. I reckon this homemade juice, as opposed to the store-bought juice, I reckon it's going to have so much more flavour. Woo-wee! Pawpaw would be proud. How you doing, Pawpaw? Right, just to go over those ingredients again, it was about 20 mandarins, brought it up to about halfway, cup and a half of sugar, pinch of baker's yeast, shake out of it, and then fill him up with water, give him another shake, and that is it. In 3 weeks from now, we're going to have us a jug of Mandarin wine. Alright, I've got the other wine that we made the other day, 4 days ago actually, and so 4 days in, the yeast is really active. I'll come around and give you a look. I'll just hold it in front of the camera. I don't know, can you see that? It's bubbling. It's bubbling like soft drink, like soda. It's yeah, it's going hard. Let's have a bit of a smell. Now I know why Pawpaw jumps back when he gives his wine a bit of a sniff test. All right, let's try this one. Holy moly, smells like wine. Okay, so yeah, that's 4 days in, bubbling beautifully. Just pop him back over here. For those of you who are interested to see how the other one, you know how we did apple pear juice and grape juice, and we mixed the two together? Well, that's what it looks like. Not as dark as the grape juice. And let's have a sniff. Weird doggy. That's gonna blow your head off when you drink that. Alrighty. Alrighty. So that's it. Homemade Mandarin wine. We'll do a taste test in about, I think you're supposed to leave it 3 weeks. I'm going to leave it 4 weeks, and then we'll do a taste testing of all 4 flavours. Alright, till the next video, see you later.